3, 2, 1.
The stories that happen on Rodeo Drive, dude, you won't even believe. I'll tell it to you in a second. Don't worry, guys. I won't tell you guys because I'm snaking, guys. But we got the SVR here at Anthony's Garage. We got a CLS. What is the paint code for this matte white finish right here?
It's the Designo color.
Oh, the Designo color.
Designo?
Oh, okay.
How do you say that? Designo.
I don't know.
Something like that.
Oh, look, we got the Platinum Motorsports license plate. Make sure to check out the PML Quick Strike video. I'll link it up right here on the upper right hand corner.
PML.
Yeah, but we're trying to buff out this little fuck up here. It's hard to see. It's right there. Someone basically backed up into my car and bounced. They kind of messed up the front grille right here, but there's like a little mark, and we're gonna have Anthony try and buff it out a little bit. But we also got his red Lotus right here that he's finally uncovered. Now, I don't really know too much about paint correction, but when you run your fingers across the paint, it is the smoothest motherfucker ever. He has paint correct. How many times have you paint corrected this? Like several times?
Years, yeah.
Wow, this is one of the best jobs I've ever seen. And of course, we got the infamous chrome purple Lotus right over here. OG subscribers will know the infamous live stream that happened, like a couple years ago, I think? Do you ever walk around your car when you park? Because I don't. It's like, it was such a small little scratch. I just never noticed it until I washed it. I was like, wait a minute, like what the hell happened?
God damn it.
Yeah, but it's a slight improvement. You could barely see it on camera. The scratch, unfortunately, was a little bit too deep. We're just wiping it down now, but.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Another treat. We got the chrome purple Lotus Evora cold start up right next to the red one.
Okay, ready? Yeah.
Yeah. 3, 2, 1. Let's roll.
3,
oh
2,
yeah. 1. That's right, guys, we're back. It is Halloween weekend. First 2 spots were meetup spots, but we're gonna head over to the 3rd spot, I believe. A lot of cars, a lot of traffic. Let's get the hell out of here. That's it. Uh-oh. The fuck boys are out in full force. Police has arrived. We got the SVR here in full effect. We got Grayson's S7. He's brought his friend's RS7 and a couple M4s as well. So we're gonna have some pretty good company here. Don't know where they went, but on to the next location, I guess. All right, guys, you guys know the drill. Here on the F-Spot channel, we cover all sorts of automotive events, supercars, hypercars, classic cars, and of course, my favorite F-boy cars, including myself. Here we go, guys. Let it begin. There you guys have it. Cops showed up. Just one cop. A little disappointing, but it is what it is. Dude, someone's brought the U-Haul truck. it, dude. Yeah. Damn. Whoa. A fucking stampede. Look at this guy. He's got costumes. Oh my god. No cops showed up. I guess everyone got bored of the spot. Everyone got bored of this spot, so we're moving on to the next one, I guess. Wow, no cops. That's pretty much gonna conclude tonight's festivities, so to speak. But check this out. I found a random biker meet here. Hold on, let's see if we can find it. It's right around the corner, right here. Check that out. Holy shit. Check it out, there's a bunch of bikes. Hard to see all over the spot here. Huh, alright, cool.